going to go over the steps to assemble the Seville Classics ultra durable commercial grade wire shelves. The shelves are 60 inches long, 24 inches wide. You get 5 shelves. It comes with 4 wheels and 4 leveling feet. It's rated at 500 pounds if you use the wheels and 4,000 pounds with the leveling feet. The shelving comes with 8 poles. You're going to start with the 4 poles that have threaded holes on the bottom, and you're going to screw in your wheels or your leveling feet. I'm going to be using the leveling feet. I'm going to screw it down and leave about 1/8 of an inch gap between the foot and the pole. The shelves are held in place with tapered sleeves. There's a top and a bottom. The top is marked. Inside the sleeve you have a tongue which is going to fit onto grooves on your poles. When you put your shelf over the sleeve, the corners of the shelf are also tapered, and when you put it down on top of the sleeve, it's going to lock it in place. So it's a very simple system. You're going to put your bottom 4 sleeves on first. You're going to count up from the bottom and pick a groove. I'm using the 2nd groove, and I'll do the same for all 4 poles. Slide your 4 poles into the corners and push up the sleeves. I tapped down the corners of the shelves with a rubber mallet, and I adjusted the feet using a level. Put your sleeves on for your 2nd shelf. There's areas with double grooves, so it's easier to count your spacing. Slide on your 2nd shelf and tap it down with a rubber mallet. The shelving comes with 4 threaded connectors that you're going to screw into the top 4 poles. When you screw them down, they stop when they're halfway into the pole. If you're having a hard time threading that in, you can use a quarter, and there's grooves on the top to help you tighten it down. Screw your 4 upper poles into the bottom poles. Now put on the rest of the sleeves and the shelves. It's a very easy shelving system to assemble, and it carries a lot of weight.